A learning management system, LMS for short, is the backbone of modern adult education. It's where content lives, where learners interact, and where progress is tracked. But not all LMS platforms are created equal. Choosing the right LMS can mean the difference between a clunky course and a seamless learning experience. So how do you choose and use an LMS effectively? Start with your goals. What do you need your LMS to do? Do you want to host videos and quizzes? Track learner progress? Offer certificates? Enable group work or discussion? Next, think about your learners. Are they tech-savvy on mobile devices working full-time? Your LMS should meet learners where they are, with intuitive navigation, mobile compatibility, and a clean interface. Then look at features. Must-haves might include content upload, PDFs, videos, audio, assessment tools, discussion forums or chat, learner analytics, certificates or badges, SCORM or XAPI support. Also, consider support and scalability. Is there tech help when you need it? Can it grow with your audience? Popular LMS platforms for adult learning include Moodle, Canvas, Talent LMS, Teachable, and Thinkific, each with unique strengths. Once you've chosen your LMS, how do you use it well? First, keep your content organized. Structure it in clear, logical modules. Label things simply, avoid clutter. Second, design for engagement. Mix formats, videos, text, audio, and quizzes. Use discussion boards and real-world assignments to keep things interactive. Third, make navigation easy. Use consistent layouts. Minimize clicks. Offer a short how-to tutorial for first-time users. Fourth, use the data. Check completion rates, quiz results, and learner feedback. Use that insight to improve and personalize learning. Fifth, offer support. Even adult learners need guidance. Use announcements, reminders, or short check-ins to keep people on track. And finally, keep updating. An LMS isn't a set-it-and-forget-it tool. Regularly refresh your content, refine your design, and respond to what your learners need. An LMS is more than a platform. It's the digital home of your learning experience. When used well, it becomes a tool for connection, progress, and transformation. So choose wisely, design thoughtfully, because the right LMS doesn't just deliver content, it delivers success.